DDAmanda is the #1 stock screener and scanner. This is how we're finding these winners early, guys. Simple to use by total beginners. Got advanced features for professional traders. Great support, 1 hour free one-on-one training, and check out these testimonials. I mean, they're off the hook. Guys love this program, and they're making a ton of money.
Can it be saved? I got an old chainsaw here that was out in the out in the weather, but it still has some life in it. So look at that. There's some pretty good teeth here. So it won't move. It's all rusted, you know. I think I got it to where it'll fit in here. Not quite yet. I gotta beat it a little bit to get it small enough to fit in there. I've already used this muriatic acid for something else. Shit, still not. There we go. We'll just freshen that up a little bit. I got some used hydrochloric muriatic acid, so let's throw a little bit more of that in there. Freshen it up. And we'll leave that in there for an hour or so and see what transpires. I got high hopes for this chain. I don't know how that got rusty. And let's check out our little chainsaw. Now this has been in all night long. I forgot about this one too, but let's see what we got. Oh, look at that. She's just falling right apart. Remember how she was all rusted together? Look at that. All the rust is gone, baby. And that probably would have happened within a few hours. But I just forgot about her. I forgot about it. Let's see if I remember how to do this to get him on. Oh, here we go. Let's see how to get it unstraightened. Look at that. Hey, come on. There it is. Brand new chainsaw. Not brand new, but put all the meat on there. All I gotta do is sharpen this and she'll be back in business. Look at that. Isn't that magic? Muriatic acid, baby. Works like a charm. All the rest is gone, every bit of it. Let me rinse this off and put some oil on it too.
Everybody that tries DDAmanda absolutely loves her. These are all unsolicited, by the way. We didn't even ask people. I love you guys. Yeah, I love the program. So worth it. Probably made 500K. This guy's up 30K. Having everything I need to research on one page is definite time saver. Single day, 1525 profit. 15K on my first DD. Look at this guy. I don't know what to think about this one, man. This guy says he made 30 million. Read this shit. I don't know. He sounds kind of legit. I fucking love DDAmanda. Your program is the best tool I've ever used in the last 21 years. It just goes on and on. Okay, if you trade stocks, or if you're even thinking about trading stocks, this is for you guys. This is what you need. This is DDAmanda. It's the #1 stock screener and scanner that's out there. And it uses both user input and AI to find and research winning stocks. And it says right here, easy enough to use by total beginners. There's really no learning curve at all. You can be finding stocks within about 5 minutes after you log in. And it also has a lot of advanced features that are used by professional traders. Our mission is to help you make money by investing in stocks. That's the bottom line. That's what you want from something like this, Now, I use this all the time, and I've found some amazing runners. You've got here, look at this. They give you 1 hour of free one-on-one training and instant support. having good support on a program is just so critical, you know. I mean, here's their phone number right here. You can just call and text. They've got some testimonials here. I want to show you these because they're pretty amazing. I mean, look at this. This is what people think of her. I love you guys. Yeah, I love the program. This guy made 500K. This guy's up 30K. Everything I need to research. I wasn't even in Amanda one week, and he made 10,000 bucks. So these testimonials, it just goes on and on here. So anyway, they've got a, if you want to try, look at all these features. Dollars traded, 7MA crossovers, all sorts of stuff. But they've got an $8 a day trial subscription, so you can check her out and see if you like her. And some other subscription levels here. Anyway, I highly recommend this, guys, and do check it out and make some money.